Welcome friends. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a favicon. A favicon is a small icon or collection of icons associated with a website, web page, or web application. It's displayed within the browser tabs and bookmarks bars. For example, looking at this Google website here, you can see this icon here that looks like G. That is the favicon icon for Google. Then you can see the one for Reddit, and you can also see the one for Squarespace. So looking at this site that I developed, you can see that it doesn't have any favicon except the default icon that appears here. So I'm going to show you how to create a favicon for this site. So the first thing I'm going to do will be to open to the site favicon.io. So when this open, I could now look at the favicon generators. That means I could do PNG to ICO, I could do text to ICO, or I could do emoji to ICO. So any of the options that you feel comfortable, you can explore. So, but I'm going to use text to ICO for now. So I click on text to ICO. Now the name of this website is National Resource Center for Women in Politics. So I could do something like I could use a single text, or we just do NR. And when you type your text, make sure it falls within the square brackets that is displayed here. Or you could just use a single digit like N, for example, and that's what you find. Then you can now further customize on this. What sign do you want? Do you want it to be secular? And what font type? So you can change all the size to size matters. So the size here is 110. So if I do something like, if I take something like 60, for example, you will find that this can accommodate more text, NR. So I'll have NR. So I have NR there. You could accommodate more text. Then of course you can further um, change the font color. So you can see the system is telling me, look, this is a default background color that I'm giving to you, but I can change this to any other thing that I want. Then of course the color of the font, you could also further change it. It's showing white. This is the default HTML code for white, but I could change it to black, and that's how it's going to be. But for now, let me stay with the white. So that's what I have. So you can, like I said, further customize on this and get it working. So I've gotten what I want for now. This is going to be my favicon for the site I've developed. So I'll click on download. I will open to this, and I will copy it to somewhere on my system, and I will just create a folder called NR. Then I'll open to this, paste this here, and I will extract it. So extracting it, the essence of extracting is that this is exactly what I need out of all these. This is exactly what I need. So I'm going to go to my website and take this update. So this is the site. So I'll go to the back end of this website, and this is what I will have. Then I'll go to my file manager. So I will open to the index page that is responsible for this website. So the default index page that is responsible for that website. So looking at this HTML block, the code I'm going to type will now be within this header, but directly under the title bar, I'm going to create a link to the favicon icon that I have. But before I do that, I have to send it to the system. So this is my public HTML file. So I'll just upload that file straight to my web folder. So I'll go to NR. Then I'll pick exactly the one I want. This is NR. So that has been taken to, so you can see from here, I have favicon.ico. Then from here, directly under the title bar, I will create a reference to that favicon file. So I'll type link. So here I will type icon, and here I will type favicon.ico. So this is just basically all what I need to do. I've created a link and I've referenced it to the the path in which this favicon folder is. So I'll just save this. So if I reopen to this site, you can see that my favicon icon is appearing here. That's how to create your favicon icon for your website. Thank you for listening.